So simple past. सिंपल पास्ट देखिए इंग्लिश में टेंसेस होते हैं. टेंसेस मीनिंग टाइम. whenever you speak, तो जो भी सेंटेंस बनता है उसमें टाइम आपको पता चलता है कि भाई पास्ट में किए थे, फ्यूचर में किए थे, या प्रेजेंट में कर रहे हैं आप. तो today we'll try to understand what is simple past. तो सिंपल पास्ट में आप हमेशा V2 यूज करेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ईट है, ईट इज वी वन फॉर्म है, और एट V2 है. इसके V3 भी बनते हैं, ईटन, ओके, ईटिंग. ओके, इफ यू सी एनी ग्रामर बुक यू मे फाइंड ऑल द लिस्ट ऑफ वर्ब्स. ओके, एक अबाउट आपको 1000 तो वर्ड्स याद होने चाहिए. एनीवे, इन द सेम वे ड्रिंक, ड्रैंक, ओके, ड्रंक, ओके, एंड ड्रिंकिंग, ओके. Take walked, okay, walked, walking, okay, number of words we can write here. Anyway, so simple past, we are talking about this one. Any action which is finished, any action which is finished in the past, even if it is finished 1 minute ago. Say I drank water, even 1 minute ago, but you have to mention the time. 1 minute ago, 2 minutes ago, 1 hour, okay, last week, last year, 10 years ago. I went to Mumbai, okay, Mumbai 10 years ago. Okay. Time is important, but when you are speaking about the whole past story, so once you mention, that's enough. Okay, no need to mention all the time. I went to Mumbai 10 years ago, I ate there 10 years ago. No need of, okay, only once you mention 10 years ago, that's enough. Okay, so we have to practice this one. Then what is another thing? There is another tense also used in the same way. Like if I say I went to Mumbai and I have gone to Mumbai, almost same meaning, same sentence है. इसमें there is no difference at all. The only difference is the time. Here you said time, last year. I went to Mumbai last year. I went to Mumbai last year. I have gone to Mumbai recently. Remember this word. Recently, just now. You can use so far, already. Okay. These are the words we can use with this type of sentence. This is called present perfect tense. We will learn later. इसको what it is called माजी खरीब बोलते हैं इसको, माजी खरीब. ये माजी बाईद, okay. माजी बाईद means when you have mentioned the time, but here no need of mentioning the time. No need of mentioning the time here in the simple past. Anyway, so let's practice. These are the things you have to remember. What in the simple past? Remember the time. Time is very important here. Okay, last year, last week, yesterday, last night, Or even 1 minute ago, if you finished some work, you just take it this to the simple past. Okay. Um, Take any example. How can we elaborate the sentence? The important thing is not I eat, I drink, I walk, I go. The important thing, extra information, so that you can beautify the sentence. How would you beautify the sentence? How would you beautify the sentence? By adding some extra information. Say, for example, if I say Ravi ate. Ravi ate. Okay, this is a complete sentence. This is the sentence. The requirement of the sentence are noun or pronoun and the verb. These are the two very important words, okay, in the sentence, without which we may not have a sentence. And this is the backbone of a English sentence. Verb. Verb is very important, but in our languages usually we avoid verbs. We give emphasis on other words, adjectives, nouns, okay. But in English, the second position in the sentence is usually of verb. Anyway, so these are some important points about the simple past. What you must mention here. Ravi ate when? Last night. Last night. Last night. So last night is very important because you are using V2 form. When you start practicing, it is very easy. Okay, last night. And remember, these words all the time, these questions all the time you ask yourself an answer. Like what, okay, where, how, when is very important, okay, and why, and the other questions also there, like how long, okay, how long, and if you are using other words like for go, so you have to use how far, okay. These questions all the time keep in your mind to elaborate the sentence. The important thing, elaborating the sentence. I mean, enlarging the sentence. If you say last night we ate, then question arises, the listener, what? What? Yeah, tell me what. Use any word here, pizza, biryani, okay, whatever it may be. Okay, so here, last night Ravi ate biryani. What? Okay. Where? At at a hotel. Okay. At a hotel. Okay. At a hotel. And how you can use with his friends, with his friends, okay, with his friends, okay, with his friends, and when okay, last night is okay, but I use here a preposition at night better, okay, at night, okay. I'll show you what is this MPT, okay, later, okay. At night Ravi ate biryani at a hotel with his friends, okay. And what is the other question? Why is very important, okay. Why you can use for, okay, for satisfying, for satisfying for satisfying his hunger. You can use for satisfying his hunger, or you can use in order to satisfy his hunger. You can use here because of being hungry, okay, he ate biryani at a hotel with his friends for satisfy. Okay, so all the time we don't need all the information. Sometimes one or sometimes two information. For example, here at night Ravi ate biryani. That's enough, okay? But we need some information, okay? So that, it beautify the sentence. And this type of sentences you may find in the newspapers. Newspaper देखो आप इसी तरह से लिखा हुआ रहता है, वो कभी भी only noun pronoun, subject plus verb ऐसे कभी नहीं मिलेगा आपको. आपको बिल्कुल इस तरीके से using prepositional phrases, gerund, ये gerund है, ing फॉर्म जब भी आएगा तो ये जो है ना नाउन बन जाता है कभी भी. ये मेन वर्ब है एक्चुअली, बट इन दिस सेंटेंस ये एक gerund है. हाँ, we will discuss about this one, ing form. Okay, ing form of verb. Okay, this ing form of the verb can be noun, बनता है, और वो एडजेक्टिव भी बनता है. एनीवे, अभी हम उसमें डिटेल्स में नहीं जा रहे हैं. तो अब देखिए सेंटेंस को कैसे बना हुआ है. एट नाइट रवि एट बिरयानी एट ए होटल विथ हिज फ्रेंड्स फॉर सेटिस्फाइंग his hunger. Okay, you can answer how long, for 2 hours. Okay, in this way you have to build the sentences. So ये एक तरीका है. अब देखिए आप कोई एक वर्ड ले लीजिए, मिसाल के तौर पे आप प्ले ले लीजिए. आप प्ले को आप जो है ना थोड़ा सा इनलार्ज करिए सेंटेंस को. आप बोलिए आई प्ले वेयर. I play in the playground. I play in the playground. Okay, playground, in the playground. Okay, how? Yes, you can say with my friends, with my friends, with my friends. Okay, and why? For practice purposes. Okay, for practice. Okay, and remember here, if it is s, then it becomes a verb, practice, that is practiced. Okay, how long? You can say for 2 hours. Okay, for 2 hours. 2 hours. 2 is an adjective. Okay, for preposition. Okay, so I play, the main sentence is this one. The main sentence is this one. I play. I play what? Okay. I play what? Football. Okay. You can use here first football. I play football in the playground. Okay. With my friends for practice. Okay. For any reason, for enjoyment, you can use for enjoyment, for entertainment, for enjoyment. Okay. Any word you can use here. Okay, noun, but it must be noun. So, and just see this sentence, how it looks. कैसे लग रहा है आपको ये सेंटेंस? और इतना बोलें कि आई प्ले फुटबॉल. अब आपको प्लेस बताइए अपने से, टाइम बताइए कब खेले आप. ओके, इन द मॉर्निंग. ओके, इन द मॉर्निंग और इन द इवनिंग. ओके, इन द मॉर्निंग. ओके, टाइम. तो ये सारी जो इन्फॉर्मेशन है, ये जो है आपको एक आइडिया देंगे सामने वाले को, ताकि वो फिर दोबारा कोई क्वेश्चन ना करें आपसे. एनीवे, चलिए अब आप बनाइए एक सेंटेंस. आई यूज द वर्ड कुक. शी कुक्स.